Did you know that sunflowers aren't just beautiful to look at? They can also give you a harvest of healthy, edible seeds right from your own backyard. Today, I'll show you exactly how to grow and harvest sunflower seeds, step by step. Stick around, because by the end, you'll know how to turn a simple flower into a nutritious snack you grew yourself. Step 1. Choosing the right variety. If you want seeds, pick larger sunflower varieties like Mammoth or Russian Giant. Smaller, ornamental types are mostly for looks, not eating. Step 2. Planting. Sunflowers need full sun and well-drained soil. Plant seeds directly outdoors once the soil warms to at least 55 to 60 degrees Fahrenheit. Space them about 6 inches apart. And remember, tall varieties may need staking for support. Step 3. Growing care. Water regularly, but don't overdo it. Sunflowers don't like soggy soil. As they grow, they'll follow the sun, a process called heliotropism, which helps them thrive. Step 4. Knowing when they're ready. Seeds are ready to harvest when the back of the sunflower head turns yellow-brown, and the seeds look plump with black and white stripes. The petals will also begin to dry and fall off. Step 5. Harvesting. Cut the flower head with about a foot of stem attached. Hang it upside down in a dry, well-ventilated spot and let it finish drying for about 1 to 2 weeks. Once dry, rub the seeds out by hand or with a brush. Step 6. Enjoying your harvest. Rinse the seeds, let them dry, and enjoy raw or roast them with a little salt for a healthy snack. You can also save some to plant again next season. If you've never tried growing sunflowers before, this is the perfect time to start. They're easy, beautiful, and reward you with seeds you can actually eat. Thanks for watching. Which sunflower variety would you like to try growing, the giant ones for seeds or smaller ones for decoration? Drop your answer in the comments below. And don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and ring that bell so you never miss more gardening tips and home growing guides. See you in the next video.